Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be doing a glowy summer makeup look with a bunch of products that were kindly sent to me from Lookfantastic US. Thank you so much, Lookfantastic, for sending me these products. I'm going to be using them all today while creating this glowy summertime makeup look, and they were kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys, and you can find all of the information down below. It will give you 22% off if you use my link and code on everything I'm sharing with you today. It's pretty much across their website, though there are a few exclusions, but everything I'm showing you today are included in that sale with the discount code if you use it. Again, these products were sent to me in PR. There are a few things, just so I had a full face, that I pulled out of my own collection, but you can find these products on Lookfantastic as well, but they're products I already own, so some of these products are going to be a first impression. They're all products that I'm really excited to bust into, so let's just hop right into it. Okay, I've got you guys zoomed in. I have my hair pinned back and I'm just ready to dive into these products. Like I said in the intro, these were kindly gifted to me, and I really appreciate being part of Lookfantastic's glowy makeup campaign this summer. It is really a great opportunity for a small creator like myself to prep my skin. I just have my skincare done. I'm going to be using this Yes to Grapefruit Brightening Unicorn Brightening Mist. That said brightening twice. It says shake well before use. Oh no. That a really fine mist. Feels really nice. It definitely has a grapefruit scent. Like I said, we're going for a very glowy makeup look. I think I've said that 5 times. So the foundation they sent along to me is the NYX Born to Glow foundation. I have the shade Warm Vanilla, which I'm hoping will match my self tan. My face is lighter than my body currently. And then I also got the Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. This shade might be a little light for me. It is the shade Fair. It might be a little light for me now that I have a fake tan on, I should say, but we'll just make it work. This formula is more liquidy than I was expecting. I do like to apply my foundation with a brush first and then smooth it over with my beauty sponge. I always have the hardest time shade matching online, especially now that I'm self-tanning, and from the time I apply my tan and then for like a week or more until it wears off, I feel like every day I'm a different color. So this is a bit warm for me. I do have neutral leaning warm undertones, but some foundations can be just a bit too warm, and I definitely feel like this is, but we will make it work. Once everything is applied, it will all work out. I'm so happy that you guys have been enjoying more makeup application type videos from me lately. That has been something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, but always get discouraged in the end. But my Oh the Shame video went very well, and I'm so happy for that. Actually, now that I have this foundation blended down my neck and over my ears where I don't tan, it's actually looking pretty good, at least on me in person. This is definitely a very glowy foundation, which is perfect. That is what we are going for. It has pretty good coverage. I would say medium to full. I'm not really having the greatest luck building it up, but you guys know I have a lot to cover, and honestly it doesn't bother me at all if some of my imperfections peek through. Now going in with the Born to Glow concealer. Again, this is the shade Fair, which I do think is going to be a bit too light for me with this fake tan on, but we will make it work. Has a little floof ball type applicator. My eczema is back on my eyelids. I've spoken about that in an empties video a long time ago now, about how the only cream that I have ever found to actually help heal the eczema and that doesn't sting it really badly is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And First Aid Beauty is of course no longer cruelty free, which was really disappointing to me. Many of you were super understanding and just told me to go ahead and repurchase that once I used it up, but I have bought something else to try. It's on its way to me. I thought with the warmer and more humid weather, maybe I was out of the woods, that maybe it was just flaring up with the heat from the cooler months, but that doesn't appear to be the case. Alright, bear with me. I know things are looking a little bit wild right now because the concealer is so light, but I promise we will get back on track here in a second. Before powdering any of that, they did send me over 2 different shades of the Daniel Sandler Watercolor Liquid Blushes. Sorry, this one says Watercolor Liquid Blush and this one says Watercolor Liquid Cheek Color. I did swatch these in my recent cream and liquid cheek product collection video. So we have the shades Cherub, which is a very light pink shade. I will pop in some swatches, as well as the shade Chelsea, and I am going to be using Chelsea today. I am just going to apply this to the back of my hand. I have no idea how much of this to use. And I'm going to use my finger and smile. Using cream and liquid products is definitely going to help you achieve that glowy summer look. Cream and liquid cheek products has definitely been a very popular trend recently, and I used to think that it was really only for people with dry skin, and myself with combination skin couldn't use products like that, but I have really grown to enjoy them. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics number 4 from this pink marbled collection just to kind of stipple this color. I do want to bring it across my nose and a little bit under, like under my eye, across my nose, and quite a lot on the apples of my cheeks. The powder I'm going to apply afterwards is going to kind of dull this down a bit, but I really want like that glowy, blushed, summery look. Alright, I'm already feeling better with some color added to my face. I'm going to just bounce out any creasing that may have happened and set that concealer. They sent me this CoverGirl Smoothers powder. It is in the shade Translucent Medium. I hope that this works alright for setting my under eyes. I'll go in with a very light amount. And honestly, this bit of a like tinted translucent powder helped to even out the color a lot. I chose out this CoverGirl Smoothers powder, though this is by no means a new product. I don't think any of these products are new to the market, but I've been struggling with my texture on my face and I thought this would help a lot. I'm just going to powder my lines in my forehead a bit. I want to really maintain a lot of the glow we've got going on. For bronzer, I am going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is not a cruelty-free product anymore, but they do sell Physicians Formula on Lookfantastic on the US site, and I have it in my collection, so I need to use it up. just to add a bit of a bronzed glow to my skin. Though I'm already self-tanned, I've got the deeper foundation on now, so I'm already feeling pretty sun-kissed, but just put some bronzer on my large forehead, my 5 head, if you will. Alright, off camera, I just did a light filling in of my brows. I do have very full brows already, but I did use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and NYX is of course sold on Lookfantastic, as I used their base products. I'm feeling very nice and natural and glowy so far, but I'm going to amp up the glow a notch with this Pixie highlighter duo. I have the shade Subtle Sunrise. Oh, the brow pencil I used was not sent to me by Lookfantastic. I keep forgetting that, like, with the FTC guidelines or whatever, I need to specifically say what was sent to me and what is my own product that I bought with my own money. It's very confusing sometimes. Alright, now that I've got this open, there is a light gold side and a rose gold side. For my cheekbones, I'm going to use the lighter side. And I'm not going to go too heavy-handed with this product. I've never used it before, so it might be very blinding regardless, but I'm using this like fluffy highlight brush and just very gently sweeping this on the high points. That's beautiful. Okay, to keep with the very light, glowy, summery makeup, I'm going to use my bronzer and highlighter for a really quick and simple eye look to just run out the door. Taking a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take my bronzer and just very messily pop this into my crease. This is a trick I love to do if I am running late, because I don't need any extra products than what's in front of me. The less I have to pull out of my drawer while getting ready, the better. Okay, it's not going to stick right here because of my eczema patch, and really I haven't been wearing makeup for a little while to try and let it heal, so I'm being a rebel right now to film this video, but that's alright. A couple days ago it was literally scabbing over because I had scratched it in my sleep. It must have been itchy through the night, and I woke up and it was like all bloody and gross, because it was very itchy and sore, and it definitely is getting better. Okay, just a bit more underneath. I can't talk and do that. I'm going to use both sides of the highlighter duo. I'm going to take the darker side first for the outer half, actually probably 2/3 of the eye. Again, the point is that this is quick and easy, and then the lighter shade on the inner portion and right into that inner corner. I'm actually going to tap off the excess and brush the rest under my brow bone as well. We are almost done. This makeup look has been so quick and easy. They sent me over the CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara. This was very popular last year, I feel like, and it has been on my list to try since everyone was raving about it, but I always seem to have a million mascaras. So let's open this up for the first time. It is that Hourglass Natural Bristle Wand that I really enjoy. Okay, I need a closer mirror before I stab myself in the eyeball. What do you think? It's just one coat on one eye. I like it. I should say, I like it so far. Obviously, these are just first impressions, not reviews. You can let me know if you would like me to come back in a couple of weeks with full reviews on these products. Okay, I should have done the step before mascara. They sent me the Big Daddy of the Pixie Glow Mist. It's their Nourishing Mist. Before I was super into glowy makeup, this product scared the crap out of me because I know it is super glowy, and historically I have had very oily skin. The older I get, the more it seems to be more combination, and regardless of that, just lately, especially this summer, I've been loving the glow. So let's see how intense this really is. I don't know if that was too much or too little. It doesn't taste good. I started talking too soon. Ugh, and it got right in my mouth. Well, I'm glowy for sure. Alright, to finish off this makeup look, they sent me the Florence by Mills Glow Yeah Tinted Lip Oil. I didn't know that I could even get my hands on Florence by Mills products. For some reason, I was under the impression that they were only sold on Ulta, but you can find them at Lookfantastic, which is great. This is, what's her name? Millie, the girl from Stranger Things. And I am loving lip oils. This feels very thin. Ooh, it's very pink. It's alright. It definitely goes with this look. So even our lips are glowy. It feels thin but comfortable. I don't know how nourishing this will be, but it feels really nice. Okay, let me take these clips out of my hair. So this is my final glowy summer makeup look. What do you think? I think my makeup looks really good. Obviously nice and glowy and fresh, but my skin looks smooth and healthy. I have been really happy with literally every single product I tested out today. Of course, they were just first impressions, like I said earlier. So let me know if you want me to review these later on. I am working on a few review videos that these products can definitely make their way into. Again, thank you so much to Lookfantastic for sending me these products to make this video possible. If you are interested in trying any of the products that I used today, please do use my affiliate link and discount code that are down in the description box. Again, it's 22% off of most products on their website. There are a few exclusions, but everything I used today is included, like I mentioned in the intro. Let me know in the comments down below what sort of makeup look you would like to see me do next. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!